welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenzie. Today we're unboxing Paparazzi jewelry. Let's open it up. This is so pretty. Look at this. All of this jewelry that I'm going to show you is all kid jewelry. The first thing I pulled out is this nice purple and blue bracelet. And the blue is actually little hearts. The second one I pulled out has like pink and pink hearts, purple hearts, green hearts, and blue hearts. This pretty one. This one has this yellow kind of looks like candy, but it isn't. I like it. This one has yellow and silver. This is a hair clip. A rainbow hair clip. I think I need to put this one on right now. This is hard. Guys, look guys. Look how cute it looks. Okay, next one. Okay, so this one has like a silver, and then it has blue and brown for the heart. So this one kind of looks like the yellow one, but it's pink and silver, which is super cute. Look at these ones are actually smaller than the yellow one. See, look, smaller. This one's different. It has orange. So this one's like a pattern. It's orange, silver, orange, heart, orange, silver, orange, heart. Go back to this big bag, but let's see what's in this little bag. The little wings, look at little Valentine's wings. Look at even more wings. I'm gonna put one of these wings on and one of these bracelets on. I'm just gonna put this cute little one on. This little pink one here. This little pink one I'm gonna put on. This one's a little big. This one's a little too big. This one's also like a pattern. This one is blue, pink, silver, green. Clear. That's so cute. I just have to wear them right now. I'm grabbing two at a time. I guess we can look at both. Two hair clips in one. I'm gonna look at this bracelet first, because I feel like I just opened up. Yeah. Okay. This one isn't like these bracelets. This one's like different. This one looks so cute. I can wear these ones to school. They're red bulbs. They're also a little bit glittery. This one is like this one. Except this one's like orange-ish, brownish. And this one also has clear all around it. Okay. This one is like, okay, so this one's pink heart, like a clear, but look, it's like rainbow kind of. It's like a rainbowish. It's iridescent. This one is purple and silver. I really like it. This one is also iridescent. It's purple iridescent. So this one has clear and white, green, and some of them are even like some greens are like flat, and some greens are like circle-ish. This one's also iridescent, but except it is blue iridescent. This one is buffer squished. Look at it. Look, it's like, it has like a pill. Look at that. Look at it. Look, this one's like a sea bracelet. This one is pink and it has pink little hearts too. This one's like, this bracelet is all pink. And the hearts are like all pink. And the rest is like bright pink. So this one is actually mixed. So mixed pink, mixed blue, and mixed purple. This one matches my outfit too perfect to not wear it. So next. I got this, my arm is so heavy. This one is flat blue and big circle. Big circle. And this one has like a clear circle. I need more in this hand now. And this one's like blue. And look, I have blue on my outfit, so I'm gonna swear on it. Guys, I have a bracelet for every single outfit. I love this jewelry. So much, Miss Tracy, for sending me this. If you want to order some of these bracelets, click the link down in the description below. Thank you for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And that's the end.